What up?
It's Uptown Swing, level 1, Charleston.
That's correct. So, here's what we did. We started with a little touch step business. So we were just going in my left, my right. Touch, step, touch, step, touch, step. So you can see we have a little back and forward, forward and back and forward, forward and back. If you get the arms like this, that's great. A little bounce, that's good. Then we had the kicks. How we did rock, step, kick, step, double kick, rock, step, kick, kick. Let's go this way. Rock, step, kick, step, double kick, and then we park it up. Just like this. And hey, ha, ha, ha. Big bang, that's your basic. And then we did a skip up. Skip up looks like this. Rock, step, kick, step, swing, rock, step. If we count 8 counts, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We practiced that little skip up sandwich. We just had you guys try it a whole bunch. Your practice is to try the basic on your lunch break. You can even just try this touch step. That's fine too. Just a little bit of practice before next week.